morning students. Now today we will see our page number 49. On this page number 49, exercise 3.8 is given. So we have to solve this first question. Fill in the missing digit. We can see here empty boxes are given in each example. So we have to find out the missing digit here. So we will solve it one by one. So first question is 3 empty box plus empty box 6 equal to 79. So which number if we add in 6 we will get answer 9. 6 plus 3 how much? 9. So we have to write down here 3. Okay, and here in which number 3 if we add 3 we will get answer 7. So 3 plus 4 how much? 7. So we have to write down here answer 4. 4 plus 3 answer is 7. Okay, so in each example is different from one another. Okay, so you write down in that empty box these answers in your textbook. Now see B question. Empty box 5 plus 3 empty box equal to 82. Now see here, this is a carry sum. Okay, so which number if we add here, so we will get answer 2. So answer 2 means, what is this 2? This means 12. Okay, so if we add in which number to this 5, so we will get answer 12. So if we add 7 plus 5 how much? 12. Okay, so 2 we can write here and 1 is our carry. So we have to write here 7. So 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So we will write, already 2 is given. We will write here carry 1. Okay, now see 3 plus 1, 4. Now which number we have to add to get the answer 8? See 3 plus 1, 4. If we add 4 into 4, 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So we have to write down here answer 4. Okay, so our answer is 4 and 7. Okay, now see C question. Now here 6 empty box 6 plus 7 empty box. Answer is 3-digit answer. 3-digit answer means definitely it is a carry sum. Okay, now which number if we add to 6 we will get answer 14. This is a carry sum. Suppose we add 8 to 6. 8 plus 6 how much? 14. So we have to write down here 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So we will write here 4. We have to give here 1 carry. Okay, now see 7 plus 1, 8. Now this 2 means what? 12. See this 12. So 7 plus 1, 8. In this 8 number, how much we have to add? So we will get answer 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 1, 8. And if we write here 4. See 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So our answer is correct here. 124. Okay. Now see D question. Empty box 9 plus 7 empty box. So this is also 3-digit answer. Definitely this is a carry sum. Okay. So in 9 number, which number we have to add to get answer 11? So 9, 10, 11, 2. Okay. So suppose we write here, suppose we add 2 here. 9 plus 2, 11. So write down here 1 carry. Okay. Now see 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus how much equal to 10? 8 plus 2, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So write down here answer 2. Okay. So this is our D question. Now E question is what? 8 empty box plus empty box 5. So this is also 3-digit answer. C. So which number if we add in 5, so we will get answer 9. So 5 plus 4, how much? 9. Okay, so write down here 4. And now see 8 plus empty box equal to 4. Now this 4 means what? 14. So in 8, which number we have to add? 8 plus 6, how much? 14. So you write down here 6. 8 plus 6, 14, and 1 carry we have to write down here in this box, because 1 plus nothing equal to 1. Okay, now see F question. Empty box 8 plus 7 empty box. Again now see, in 8 number, which number we have to add? So we get answer 14. So 8 plus 6. What is the answer? 8 plus 6, 14. So we will write here 4, give carry 1. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus how much equal to 15? 8 plus 7. So we have to write here 7. Now what is the answer here? 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So 5 we have to write here, already written there, and 1 carry we will write here, because there is no number here, so carry plus 0 equal to that number only. So in this way you have to write down the answer. Now see G question. 2 empty box 7 plus 5 empty box. Now see which number we have to add in 7, then we will get answer 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, so you write down here. Now which number we have to add in this 5, so we will get answer 1. Now this one means what? 11. So 5 plus 6, how much? 11. So you write down 1. Okay, so 6 plus 5, 11. So you write down here 1 and give here carry 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, now see H question. 4, 6 empty box plus empty box 8. Okay, so now which number if we add in this 8, so we will get answer 4. Now 4 means what here? 14. So 8 plus 6, how much? 14. So 4 is given already, we have to write the carry here. Okay, so now 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus how much equal to 14? 7 plus 7, 14. So now see, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. So write down 4 here and give here carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so in this way properly you write down the numbers in the empty boxes. Now see second question, more practice. So in this more practice question, we have to add now 4-digit numbers and we have to fill in the empty boxes. So first example is 4, 3 empty box 9 and plus empty box 6, 5, again empty box equal to 8 empty box 2, 1. Okay, so in this 9 number, which number if we add, then we will get the answer 1. 1 means 11 here. So if we add 2 to this 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So you write down here 2, 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 is our carry. Then 5 plus 1, 6. Now in 6 number, which number we have to add? Then we will get number 2. 2 means 12 here. So we have to write down here 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So 2 is here. Write down the carry 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, how much? 10. So write down here 0 and then write down carry here 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So in 5, how much we have to add? Then we will get answer 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So our answer is 8021. Okay. Now see B question. 6 empty box, 7 5 plus 1 9 5 empty box. Okay. So now which number if we add in this 5, so we will get answer 3. 3 means what? 3 means here 13. Okay. So if we add here 8, 8 plus 5, 13. What is the carry? 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So write down here 3. Again carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus how much? Then we will get 4. 4 means 14 here. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So write down here 14. Okay, so 4 here. Again 1 is carry here. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So what is our answer? 8433. Then C question. Empty box 4, 7, empty box plus 2, 8, empty box 9. Now, which number if we add in 9, then we will get answer 6. 6 means what here? 16. Suppose we write here 7. 9 plus 7, 16. Carry is 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Now, in 8 number, which number if we add, then we will get answer 2. 2 means 12 here. So 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, see here. Here also 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Carry is 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. So write down here 3. Carry is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So in 3, which number we have to add? We have to add here 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. So what is our answer? 6326. Now see D question. So in 8 number, which number we have to add? Then we will get the answer 3. 3 means what here? 13. So we have to add here 5. 8 plus 5, 13. So our carry is 1. Okay. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 6 is already here. What is the carry? 1. 8 plus 1, 9. And 9 plus which number equal to 6 means 16. 9 plus 7. Okay. See here also. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So what is the carry? 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. What is our answer? 8663 is our answer. Now see E question. Empty box 3, 8 empty box plus 1 empty box 2, 7. So 7 and now in this 7 number, which number we have to add? Then we will get this 1. 1 means 11. So 7 plus 4 equal to 11. So 1 we have to write here and 1 we have to write here 11. Okay, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So you write 1 here and 1 here. Okay, so 3 plus 1, 4. So here which number we have to add? Then we will get this answer. Let me check equation. Yes, correct it is. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus which number? So we will get answer for 0. 4 plus 0, 4. And in this one number, which number we have to add? We have to add 5. So we will get the answer 6. So what is our answer? 6411. Then CF question. 3 empty box 4 7 plus 2 1 4 empty box. So 7. In this 7 number, which number we will add? Then we will get the answer 12. So 7 plus 5, 12. So what is the carry? 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So in this 1, which number we have to add? Then we will get the answer 5. 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So our answer is 5592. Okay, so properly you write down these answers in your textbook. Now exercise 3.9, page number 50. So this complete exercise 3.9, total 10 word problems are there. So this exercise you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, so we will see first example. There are 1780 toys in one shop. एक टॉय का शॉप है जहाँ पर 1780 टॉयज है. Then 3522 toys in the second shop. Second shop में 3522 toys है. And 127 in the third shop. और third shop में 127 toys है. How many total toys are there in all the three shops? ये तीनों शॉप में total toys कितने हैं? So what we have to do? We have to do here addition. Okay, so in your notebook you will write like this. So in each separate box you will write each separate number. 3522 plus 127. Addition, we have to do here addition. So exactly as it is you have to write down in your notebook. Now start adding. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. What is the carry? 1. Write down 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So write down here 4. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So what is our answer? 5429. So you will write down so, comma 5429 toys are there in three shops. Okay, this sentence is important. So everything as it is, this first question, then answer, and this last statement you will write in your notebook as it is. So write down. Now see second example. Shalini had 1746 stamps in her stamp album. See, here one picture of stamp is given. On that stamp, photo of Bhagat Singh is given. So different kinds of stamps are there. So Shalini is a girl and she is having very different kinds of stamp in her stamp album. So she had 1746 stamps. Then Priya gave her 599 more stamps. Priya उसकी एक फ्रेंड है, उसने फिर और उसे 599 स्टैम्प्स दिए. हाउ मेनी स्टैम्प्स डिड शालिनी हैव ऑल टुगेदर? All together means what we have to do? We have to do here addition. So each number you will write in each separate box like this. Then we have to write down this 599. We have to add this. Okay, now start adding. 9 plus 6, 15. Carry is 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Write down 3 here. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Our answer is 2345. So write down the last statement. So Shalini have 2345 stamps all together. Then what is given in the question? What value is generated here? So Priya gave her 599 more stamps. Means the value is what? Priya also want to share her stamps with Shalini. So what value is generated here? So you can write here sharing. This and underline this sharing value is generated here. मतलब अपनी फ्रेंड को अगर हम कुछ देते हैं इसका मतलब होता है हम लोग उसे शेयर करते हैं. जैसे हम लोग स्कूल में टिफिन शेयर करते हैं ना, अगर आपके फ्रेंड ने कोई अच्छी सब्जी लाई तो आप उनसे शेयर करते हो, आपकी सब्जी उसे देते हो, उनकी सब्जी आप लेते हो. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज शेयरिंग. तो प्रिया ने भी शालिनी को अपने स्टैम्प्स देकर शेयरिंग किया. तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू का जनरेटर दिस कौन सी वैल्यू जनरेट हुई है? शेयरिंग. तो हमेशा हमारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ हम लोगों ने शेयरिंग करनी चाहिए. ओके, सो यू कंप्लीट दिस सेकंड क्वेश्चन इन योर नोटबुक. नाउ सी थर्ड एग्जांपल. शीतल हैज 1480 मैंगोज, 2701 oranges and 746 apples for sale in her fruit shop. So Sheetal is a girl. उसके फ्रूट शॉप में 1480 मैंगोज है, 2701 ऑरेंजेस है एंड 746 एप्पल्स है जो वो सेल कर रही है. हाउ मेनी फ्रूट्स आर देयर ऑल टुगेदर? All together means what we have to do here? We have to do here addition. So as I told you, you will write very separately all this number in each separate box, and then we have to add it. First you write down 4-digit number, then 4-digit number, and then 3-digit number. Then only your answer will correct. Otherwise your answer will be wrong. So properly one below the other you have to write down the numbers. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 0 7, 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 4 12. Write down 2 here. Carry is 1. 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 1 19. So write down 9 here. Write down carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So our answer is what? 4927. So you have to write down. So 4927 fruits are there your notebook. Now see fourth example. A milk booth sold 3,895 bottles in the morning. मिल्क बूथ मीन्स जहाँ पे हम लोगों को मिल्क मिलता है, दूध मिलता है. तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या किया, मॉर्निंग में 3,895 बॉटल्स बेचे एंड 580 bottles more than that evening. Okay, so in the afternoon also they sold 3,895 bottles and then again 580 bottles more than that evening. शाम को 580 bottles भी बेचे. So what is the question? Find the total number of bottles sold on that day. So first what we have to do, we have to first do here addition of 3,895. Then this question is somewhat confusing question, so we have to very carefully read that question first and then only can solve this question. So somewhat tricky question is this. So in the morning and in the afternoon also they sold same number of bottles. So first we have to add these both numbers. 5 plus 5 10. What is the carry? 1. 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 1 19. Carry is 1. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 1 17. What is the carry? 1. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. Okay, again what is given? And 580 bottles more than that evening. So again we have to add 7,790 plus 580. Now add this. 0 plus 0 0. 9 plus 8 17. Carry 1. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 1 13. So write down here 3. Carry is 1. 7 plus 1 8. So what is our answer? 8,370. So you write down like this. So 8,370 bottles sold on that day. See, some questions are tricky questions, but we have to read it twice, thrice, then only we will get the correct answer. So write down. So now see fifth question. There are 3,500 nuts and 1,565 bolts in a bag. How many nuts and bolts are in the bag? So we have to simple add nuts and bolts. Nuts means, see, if we fix anything in this wall, or see for example this is our door, so nut and bolt, that screwdriver, you know, screw and that bolt, so that we have to add here. Very simple, nuts and bolts. 3,500 plus 1,565. So we have to add now. 5 plus 0 5. 6 plus 0 6. 5 plus 5 10. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. So our answer is 5,065. So we can write, so 5,065 nuts and bolts are in the bag. So complete it in your notebook.